has started studying ways to make the country's advanced military drones into Loyal Wingmen for the country's most powerful fifth-generation stealth fighter jet, the J-20, state media reported. Using unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, with piloted planes is a notion stated by the United States in its Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD initiative. China has tried to implement the concept for its combined combat operations, according to the Military Technology Program on State Broadcaster CCTV aired on October 12. In a computer-generated visual, CCTV showed a twin-seat J-20 commanding many stealth attack drones, like the GJ-11 Sharp Sword drone. It is the first time official media has stated why the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group created a twin-seat version of the J-20 to accommodate a weapons officer. Supported by artificial intelligence, big data, autonomous control, physical networks, and other advanced technologies, China has become the world's leading UAV developer in both the military and civilian arenas, CCTV said, adding that the country had developed different types of multi-role drones of varying sizes and functions. In the war zone of the future, drones will replace the role of piloted stealth aircraft in door-breaching assaults, Beijing-based defense expert Wei Dongxu told CCTV. In tomorrow's battlefield, joint cooperative operations between the manned fifth-generation aircraft and stealthy drones will make up a powerful, stealthy air combat squadron, connecting and communicating by information connection that is supported by big data, Wei told the state broadcaster. The backseat pilot of a twin-seat stealth aircraft will send orders to their Loyal Wingmen to make offensive attacks, allowing the other pilot to concentrate on flight control. The CCTV footage indicated China had started manufacturing the twin-seat J-20 to test the American NGAD idea, said Song Zhongping, a defense pundit and former instructor of the People's Liberation Army. In future, the GJ-11 would not be the only drone to be partnered with the J-20. Other types of UAVs might also be optional Loyal Wingmen to any aircraft platforms, Song stated. Also, the twin-seat J-20 aircraft will not be the only platform to use the NGAD concept, because the new warfare tactic might be also applied on any twin-seat next-generation aircraft. The PLA is coming up with new NGAD combat possibilities. Ji Lied, a professor at the Army's National Defense University, told CCTV. He referenced the precise design of the GJ-11 drone shown on CCTV as an example. The compact body of the GJ-11 allows it to be launched on both ground-based airstrips and flight decks, while its embedded missile bay would boost its stealth, making it more capable of eluding radar detection, Ji said. The attached missile bay may limit its payload, but its precision strike capability could fix such a problem. To increase precision strikes fired by the Loyal Wingmen, China has also produced numerous varieties of smart ammunition with self-navigation capability, including miniatures such as the 850-gram, 30-ounce, CH-817 mini attack bomb, the 2,000-gram Feihong 901 cruise missile, the CCTV report stated. In 2020, the exchange of drone attacks between Armenia and Azerbaijan over the disputed region of Nagorno-Karabakh was a forerunner of combat tactics in future wars, pushing countries such as Russia, China, the US, and other Western countries to step up their research into AI and drone technology.